Welcome to the next episode of Max, the Investigator. Dun-dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun. Max, what was your latest case? Well, actually, this time it was more of a scientific one, because we were just waiting for a call. Then, suddenly, one of the phones rang really loud. We picked it up, and that's what was the problem. They said their kitchen and bathroom were covered in a strange purple substance. We rushed over there suddenly to recover what was there.
So actually, what was that purple substance?
Well, actually, after lots of researching, we found out that it was plasma goo. Or just fake goo, in other terms. And it was actually a prank played by their own little child, Raymond. But we have some recordings from Professor Sergey right now, so if you want to see them, or if the viewers would like to see them, you may.
Okay, play those tapes.
Dun-dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun.
When after very, very serious analyzing, I realized that it was an actual purple substance. It was plasma goo, which we all know is not real goo. It isn't fatal unless you swallow it. They didn't. Hopefully, no one else will, because it's very, very toxic if you do that. But it's fun to play with, so don't think that it's poisonous. It's just poisonous if you eat it, and that shall not happen if you're a very civilized person. Okay? So, we analyzed it quite thoroughly. We analyzed it 3 times because, just in case it was actually poisonous. We got 2 of their shiny results and 1 different one. But we only got a different one because somebody was eating crisps in the studying room. Sorry. And he got a bit of crisp on the goo. So yes, it's toxic, so don't swallow it, but you'll be fine if you just playing with it. So don't worry. It was a false alarm, but still, don't eat it.
There you go. Now do you see? Don't eat the goo, because you never know what might happen.
So, that was the last episode, well, the next episode, I should say, of
Max, the Investigator. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun.
No people were harmed in the making of this video. Do not worry. Actually, the meerkat was just a stuffed animal.